Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I got a new product. I got it at Target. It is Sally Hansen's Spa Collection. It is the Revive Peel Off Nail Mask. I heard about this a while ago and I forgot about it because one of my coworkers told me about it and I was intrigued, but then I forgot once I left and the salon that day, and I saw it yesterday when I was at Target. I also got the Sally Hansen Hydrating Hand Mask, so I'll probably try that either tonight or later on this week. But both of them take 15 minutes, so I don't want to spend a half hour two different times. So, I'm just going to do the peel off nail mask. I'm sure this feels good because I get the hand masks from the Dollar Tree and I love them, and this one was like $5, so I would think it'd be better than the Dollar Tree ones. If not, head on over to the Dollar Tree. They have hand masks and foot masks that feel nice. But anyway, today I am trying the peel off nail mask. So let's read, shall we? It is the Revive Peel Off Nail Mask makes the skin and cuticles feel instantly nourished and provides visible, healthier appearance. Well, I don't think it can work miracles, but my hands are doing better. There's some growing out that needs to be done, but the thumbs are looking pretty shabby, but there's nails there, so I think it's just going to take a while for those bad boys to grow out because it keeps peeling down here, which is not fun. So I don't know. Anyway, how it works: formula is infused with natural, that big word, and helps defend against dryness by forming a moisture retaining film, which I'm going to need. So I'm hoping this works really well because my cuticles get dry. Being a hairstylist and my hands always in the shampoo bowl. I do wear gloves shampooing, but I still fill up my right hand with water, so this one gets more crusty than the other one. So the results: healthier looking skin and nails. The skin and cuticles feel soft, nails prepped for a manicure, visible improvement of skin and nails with constant use. So perfect, good things. To use: convenient and easy to use. Squeeze a small amount of product onto each nail. Smooth a thin layer over nail, cuticle, and tip of finger. Let dry for 15 minutes and gently peel away. Rinse hands thoroughly. Wipe applicator tip clean with dry cloth. Replace cap after use. So I have my paper towel. I'm going to put it on with you. So let's open this bad boy. Obviously, I'm not going to make you sit there while I let it sit for 15 minutes because that's a waste of time. So I am going to be off camera, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then we'll peel it off together. So here it is, the cute little container, little squeezy tube. Does it have any instructions? Oh, just the basics. Apply, dry, peel, infused with natural polysaccharides. I probably butchered that name, but it is made in France. So here we go. Let's see, there's a little sponge tip applicator on there. I did wash and dry my hands. Where are we? We're here. Oh, hey, that's crazy. So spread all over. Oh, that's cool. It's gold. I'm putting it everywhere because I have a cuticle brush. It says this to the top of the finger too, so. Ooh, it's gold. Nice. My hands need loving. Ugh. Oh, there's a good amount in there. Doesn't feel so when you try to squeeze it out. Comes out fairly well. What needs it? To the thumbs. way too much on that thumb, but that's okay. Putting it everywhere. I'm trying to stay on camera, but if you watch me, you know that's hard for me to do. 2 more nails. Okay, the rate I'm going, it's like 2 applications in this thing, so. Since this is the last nail, we'll use the leftover. Yeah, it's all over my hand. Oh, gold finger. Okay, so I will see you in 15 minutes. Okay, I'm back. My little gold fingers are back. So I'm going to peel this off. It says, comes off easy. And then I will wash my hands and we will, well, comes off super easy. I'm going to use a nail brush, I think under the nails. Ooh. So it says to, yeah, because you peel. Peel off. Well, oh, it does really well. Okay. Just, you know. I actually did read the instructions. Feels good. It dried really well. If I can get it off. Okay, that one still feels kind of, oh, there we go. I don't know if it felt, oh no, it felt wet, but it wasn't. It was dry. Hard to tell. This stuff's very thin and soft. So there's still some in here. I don't know how many, at least another application, so I would say maybe 2 to 3. I don't know how many it's supposed to say. I feel like a lot comes off, you know, that you need for each finger. Oh, missed a couple nails. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Everything looks nice and moisturized. This nail's like, nope, too dry. We're staying on. Okay, hold on. There it goes. Break the seal. I did have my little kitchen timer. Because I use my phone to record, and I'm sure I could use my tablet, but good old-fashioned kitchen timer. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hands. That's what they look like right now. So far, so good. I'll be back. 3, 2, okay, I am back. Think there's an improvement. They feel good. It's gold everywhere. Oh, under the nails. So yeah, a little plastic cuticle pusher comes in handy. Clean the rest up. Yes, I have a crack on that finger. I didn't use gloves to rinse toner out last Saturday, so you know, They cracked. Ouch. But there you go. They're looking more moisturized. Not bad, not bad. So pretty good. Just make sure to clean everything else up. I just feel like I have cuticle everywhere. So that's it. So far so good. I'm gonna have to try it again. But it feels good. So now I'm ready to do my nails. See what I come up with. Those, or what my thumbs look like now. The rest are doing a lot better. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a damaged nail series. I damaged them in 2021. Pretty bad. So they're still growing. The tips of these have some damage still in my thumbs. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a nice thumbs up. It'll help a lot. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And give me a little hit on that bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Toodaloo.